Hello everyone, welcome to Full Tech Stack. I am Akash and this is part 4 of ASP.NET MVC5 series. In this video, I'll show you how you can create your first ASP.NET MVC application. For that, I'll first add an empty solution and then I'll add ASP.NET MVC5 project to it. Here, I have launched Visual Studio 2019. For adding a blank solution, you need to click Create a new project. Here you can get different drop-downs for selection of language, for the selection of platforms, and for the selection of project type. Since we want to add a blank solution, let's search for blank. Here. And then I'll click on next. You can give the blank solution any name. It is showing project name, but still the name you are going to enter will be the solution name. Test blank solution. This would be the location for your blank solution. Let's click on create. So guys, this is your first blank solution in ASP.NET MVC. So let's add a blank project. We right click on solution file, then we go to add, then we expand add and we click on new project. Here. Now I type ASP.NET. This is giving many options I can choose. Since we want to add ASP.NET Web Application Project, I'll click on this since it is showing me C# tag. Then I'll click on next and I can give any name to this project. Let's name it Test MVC Project. This is the template selection. You can choose empty, web form, MVC, web API, SPA, single page application. I'll select MVC and then I'll click on create. So guys, this is the test MVC project we added in a test blank solution just now. This is the folder structure that we will be studying in an upcoming part. For now, let's just serve the project. Here, I'll select Google Chrome, then let's click on IIS Express. So guys, this is our first ASP.NET MVC5 application. So guys, let us wrap up this video. In this video, we created an empty solution and we added ASP.NET MVC5 project to it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the upcoming parts and other courses. Like, share and subscribe. Also write in your valuable feedback in the comment section.